Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes. I'm a senior consultant on the experts team here at Analysis Prime, and today I'm going to discuss one of the releases for QRC 2 of 2023, specifically the ability to update the languages for member descriptions for a private dimension. Now it doesn't apply for date or version dimensions. Now keep in mind that the upload of multi-language descriptions into private dimensions via wrangling isn't currently possible. So the first thing you need to do is when you go into your model, you want to scroll down to languages and translation and then turn on the enable multiple languages here. Now keep in mind, if this is your first time doing this, when you hit the radio button, you turn it on, you would want to save your model. Otherwise, this will not highlight. This won't be able to. You won't be able to drop this down. It'll be not highlighted. So what we want to do is, you can see I have English in there already. I've already added German, and let's add Spanish. So what I've done is I've taken the English version of those just member descriptions, and I've copied them in over to a form. So I'll bring those over and copy them down. So I just want to double check. I'm working with Spanish for Mexico. And once I filled those in, I'll select Save. And then let's look at it in a story. So I've already built a story here that highlights the cities and then revenue for those cities. And you can see I'm still in English here. Now for the user who speaks Spanish, you go to go to your profile settings and then go to data access language, select the drop down, and then select the language you want to use. You select Save. And so you can see that's come over. These Spanish versions of those words. If I were to select German, you can see that has been updated as well. I hope this helps in your future stories. Thank you.